I think there's a number of significant differences between what 3DEO does and what the majority of additive manufacturing organizations do. In general, we design and build our own equipment, and we don't sell that equipment. So what we do is we have total control of our software, we have total control of our hardware, and we have total control of the environment that we build in, and we have total control and discipline over our technicians that operate our equipment. So what that gives us is a distinct advantage over other manufacturers, because we don't have to deal with any guard bands that may be put in by other manufacturers for their equipment to assure that their equipment operates correctly. We can modify anything to optimize on any application that comes in. The other really important thing that's different there is that because we're only manufacturing our own parts, we also have the ability to pick and choose the geometries that we build. And so if some geometries are really hard for us, we can either compensate for it or we might not do that part. And so it gives us that direct control. Additionally, we use more traditional technologies that are well understood in the industry. For instance, the CNC type of approach that we use for creating definition of the part allows us to take advantage and capitalize on things that have been around 40 or 50 years. And so we know all the tricks of the trade there, so to speak, and we can use all of that knowledge to help us do a better job at part definition and tolerancing.